Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance eyes in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, let's select our layer, then duplicate our layer by pressing Command J, or on PC, Ctrl J. Select our top layer, go to Filter, Other, and press High Pass. Put a middle number. I'm going to put 5. Press OK. Then change the blending mode of the top layer to Overlay. As you can see, this sharpened our image up, giving our eyes much more detail. Then, by holding Option, or on PC Alt, and creating a new mask, we created an inverted mask. Select our brush tool and make sure you have the white color selected. Now draw over the parts that you want to enhance. So I'm going to draw over the pupil. Then, to make our pupil stand out even more, create a new layer, select the brush tool, select the soft brush tool, and with the white color, draw over our pupil. When you've done that, change the blending mode to Overlay. As you can see, it's a bit too bright now, so just turn the opacity down. And as you can see, with the new white layer, the eyes stand out much more. You can always play around with the opacity. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.